AW60, August Wilson, in 1 minute. Two Trains Running is the sixth play written in Wilson's American Century cycle. The play is set in 1969 inside Memphis Lee's Pittsburgh diner, which is slated for demolition amid urban renewal. Civil rights victories collided with Vietnam, riots, and municipal bulldozers that erased black neighborhoods. Wilson examines dignity, individual, economic, and social justice, and shifting definitions of community advancement. The play premiered in 1990 at Yale Repertory Theater and moved to Broadway in 1992. AW60, August Wilson, in 1 minute.